Look at that, guys. It's Monday morning. There's a snowstorm, and it's hard to go to work, so it's so dark as well. That's the main road. Look at that. So it's really dark, so it's not safe to go out. We're staying home today because of this weather, and it's absolutely dark though. There you are. Stay safe, everyone. It's absolutely dark, guys. Look at that. Did you see? Yeah, all is dark. There. I will wait later. A little bit later. How does it look? There you are. Okay. Stay safe, everyone. That's how the weather today, guys. That's how the weather looks like today, January 17th. So there's a snowstorm, and it's hard to walk outside because of the snow. But this will end in 16 hours. So when you go outside, it's not that cold. Feels like -4, -5. But the problem is it's snowing, and because of the snow as well. So once again, guys, hope you're gonna enjoy this video. We went out also today. I take my kids and they had fun. So enjoy watching, guys. Once again, thank you so much for your ending love and support. Enjoy watching. Everyone's staying home today. So ito na siya ngayon, guys. Napaka-quiet sa labas. Ayan. It's so quiet out. Dahil sa snowstorm. So let's do a closer look. And si hubby ko at saka anak ko nag-stay at home din kasi nga dahil sa snowstorm hindi safe mag-drive, guys. Ayan. So stay safe, everyone. Ayan siya, guys. Ano yung mga puno? Sandali. Ayan ang makikita sa puno. Ayan. So dyan ang main road. Wala kang masyadong makikita may mga sasakyan. Ayan. Stay safe. Ayan. So kanina masyadong madilim maaga. Pamaaga pa rin naman ngayon. Kaya lang ganito talaga siya ang look. Ayan, guys. So madilim. Okay. Thank you. Thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much for unending love and support. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Birahin nga shovel, day. Sige na. That's si Flo. Sige, bira shovel.
Mom, let me try. Don't you want to feel relaxing and stuff like that?
Play with Sophia, oh.
Yeah, but you should.
Yeah?
Maniti.
Your mittens.
Si Sofia may espira siya karon yung September.
Oo, sa mga September.
Karon na?
Yeah.
Oh, tingin ko registered na.
Why pa? Subong pa.
Mahal ka.
Maniti.
Subong pa na January.
Asa ang registration?
Ha? Sa Merkulis pa?
Sabi makanto ka dito. Mag-check ako sa room nila.
Sa din.
Si Miss Piat, tani si ano lang iya, si Ma'am si Raso. Kaya ang iyang assistant Filipina.
Oh. Di na si Kuya MJ. Taka, abi ko masyabi. Kapata.
Hindi na ako yung tanong ano ko yung hagdanan lang.
O te, ay, hindi ka gid gusto sa ang, ano ganina siya, sang...
Ano to yun? Iyak kami.
Tagad din. Sige. Go, Sophie. Go, Sophie.
I'm fine.
Sinelmar? Wala.
Ay, gani kayo wala gani isang ano. Mga lag ko lang ba lang.
So that's our neighborhood as well, guys. Flo, we're talking about Sophia because she's going to school next year, so we're talking about that. So once again, guys, hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe as well, please. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. To like and subscribe. Thank you so much.
Hey man, somebody there in your car, no? Yeah. You were not here last holidays, after holidays? 1 week. Okay, thank you. Okay, thanks. No problem.
Mana, kami kahulat, kami ga 10 minutes pa. Kamu iya masaka? Yeah, sweetie. Yes, baby.
How am I going to get in? It's not loud. Supposed to get to by -2, but it feels like it's more like -4, -5 out there. With wind chill, it will be a -11. And then tonight it's going to drop down to -11, and then we got to add a factor of rain chill. And the wind at 6 knots. That's probably one of the
Thanks so much, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye bye.